Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. Let's move more forward. We will cover more about lambda because that video was not enough, and the lambda chapter was very important and crucial, and you should learn and master. That's why I am adding some more and sharing more tips and tricks of the lambda function. If we okay, enough. We have discussed only one, and now here we are try to add more lambda. So if there is s for x comma y is, and this will be in the bracket x plus y and x minus y. So you can add this one, and now you will see the magic add and sub. So you will see that first it is printing 15 because 10 plus 5 is 15, and then it is printing 5 because x minus y is 5. Here x is 10 and that is that. Okay, that is if we read, let's for you I am to clear your concept is if we try q. Okay, and here we left empty and run, then you can see it will throw an error because here is not. If we suppose here we add 9 and then run, then it will also definitely run and do not throw error because there is nothing happened. Okay, so if we add more feature, then it will definitely not throw error. So why? And if we add z here, for example t here, and then run, then you can see it will not throw an error. So for the sake of, so we can here write x and this one, okay, and this one, okay. So here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here are 1, 2, 3, 4, only 4. So now let's run and see, and this is, you can see that it will performing all the tasks you have given him. So you can see first it will printing that one and that one, then that one. Here the number of parameters did not affected by the number of argument here, and there is different. So I hope that you gain some extra knowledge. So one more, I want to give you example. One more, okay. So if we make a function like that, lambda x comma y is equal to 3 and x plus y, then okay, there is 3, it is x plus y, and then add 10 on it. So we will run and then explain. So what the basically is that x, the value of x is 10 and the value of y is 3. So here 10 plus 3 adding. So these are more you work and more you gain. So there is one another. Maybe the video will be becoming more long. So in the next video, I will tell you about